All right, so today we are going like headfirst into this crazy world of cryptocurrency, but specifically how to make money with it.
Right.
You know, everybody wants to figure that out.
Yeah.
You sent us this ebook, 7 Ways to Make Money with Cryptocurrency.
Mm-hmm.
And it was put together by this company, Mirhead.
Yeah.
And it looks like they know a thing or two about this.
For sure.
So they lay out like 7 distinct business ideas.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of getting the feeling that some are more hands-on than others.
Uh-huh.
But they all seem pretty interesting in their own way.
Yeah.
So let's explore.
Absolutely. Let's dive in.
And see what we can uncover.
It's a timely topic, and it's obviously something that you're interested in, which is great.
Mm.
Cryptocurrency has this kind of like aura around it. You know, like this potential wealth.
Right.
But it's a space that really rewards knowledge.
Definitely.
So let's unpack these 7 methods and see which ones might align best with your goals.
I like that. So this ebook jumps right into the deep end with day trading.
Oh.
It's like the crypto equivalent of, like high-frequency stock trading, right?
It is. I mean,
Except we're dealing with Bitcoin. And what were those other coins called?
Altcoins.
Altcoins, yeah.
Altcoins. And you're right. It's high speed, high stakes.
Yeah.
The principle is simple. Buy low, sell high.
Mm.
But the thing is, with the crypto market, you have to be very, very quick.
Right.
Because it moves fast.
Yeah.
So it's not just about spotting the price differences.
Right.
It's about understanding, like, how those prices fluctuate based on the news cycles that drive them.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Things move very, very quickly.
So you really have to stay ahead of the curve.
You do.
How much of this is like intuition versus cold, hard data?
That's the thing.
Yeah.
Day traders, they aren't gamblers. They're analysts.
Right.
You know, they're poring over charts. They're dissecting market trends. They become experts in reading these subtle signals of the market.
Wow.
They use, like, technical indicators to try to predict future price movement.
So that sounds,
It's complex.
it sounds complex.
It's definitely complex.
Where does someone even begin to learn how to do that?
Well, it's a journey.
Yeah.
There's a ton of resources out there.
Right.
You know, online courses, trading communities, mentorships even.
Mm-hmm.
The key is to treat it like any other skill.
Okay.
Learn the fundamentals, practice with simulations, and gradually increase your exposure as you gain confidence.
So it's about finding the right tools and the right strategies, but it's also having the discipline
And mental fortitude.
to stick with it.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Now, speaking of different approaches, this ebook contrasts this fast-paced trading with what they call the buy and hold strategy.
Uh-huh.
That sounds more my speed, a little bit more relaxed.
It is. It's more about the long-term potential of the crypto market.
Yeah.
Rather than trying to,
time every swing.
Yeah. You're basically betting on the fundamental value of certain cryptocurrencies.
Okay.
Believing that they will appreciate in value over time.
But doesn't that require even more research?
It does.
To be able to pick the right coins to hold for 5 to 10 years?
Uh-huh.
What separates, the long-term winners from those that are just,
That's a good question.
a flash in the pan?
You've hit the nail on the head. This isn't just about picking a name you like the sound of.
Right. Yeah.
It's about deep diving into the project behind a cryptocurrency. What problems is it trying to solve?
Right.
Does it have a strong team with a clear roadmap?
Okay.
What's the community like?
Right.
These are the factors that separate a speculative token from a potentially transformative technology.
That makes sense. So even though it's buy and hold, it's not just,
It's not passive.
set it and forget it.
No.
It requires active research and careful selection.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Moving on from directly trading crypto,
Okay.
method number 3
Mm-hmm.
takes kind of a fascinating turn,
All right.
becoming an escrow agent.
Okay.
That sounds very official.
It is a role that demands trust and integrity.
Yeah.
Think of an escrow agent
Right.
as a neutral third party
Okay.
that ensures fairness in a transaction.
Right.
They're the ones that hold the funds
Yeah.
until both the buyer and the seller fulfill their obligations.
So it's like a digital guarantor,
Right.
adding a layer of security,
Mhm.
peace of mind in a space where, scams can run rampant.
Absolutely.
Right.
Precisely. And the need for this role is only going to increase as the crypto landscape keeps expanding.
Right.
This ebook even highlights the potential of building an automated platform using smart contracts to streamline escrow services.
Now that's tapping into like a real business opportunity.
It is.
All right, so we've got the high-speed day trader. We've got the patient long-term holder.
Yep.
And now I've got the trusted escrow agent.
That's right.
What other interesting characters populate this crypto universe?
Well, this is where it gets intriguing, especially for those with a technical bent.
Oh.
Method number 4 is algorithmic trading.
Okay.
We're talking about sophisticated computer programs to automate trading decisions.
Algorithmic trading?
Yes.
Sounds kind of like a sci-fi movie or something.
Yeah.
But how does it actually work in the crypto world?
Well, imagine you have a set of rules based on data and market analysis.
Okay.
That dictate when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies.
Okay.
These algorithms, they can analyze vast amounts of data.
Right.
Far faster than any human possibly could.
Wow.
Spotting patterns and executing trades in fractions of a second.
So it's about like removing the human emotion.
Removing human emotion and relying purely on data-driven decisions.
That's fascinating.
Yeah.
But to build these algorithms must be incredibly complex.
Well, it can be, but it's also a realm ripe with opportunity.
Okay.
And for those who aren't coding whizzes, the ebook suggests, building a business around providing that service. So you can imagine a platform offering algorithmic trading strategies to other traders through a subscription model.
That's pretty smart.
It is.
To be able to leverage that without having to be the programmer yourself.
Yeah, essentially packaging expertise and offering it as a service.
That's cool. All right, so we've covered 4 distinct methods so far.
We have.
What other avenues for making money with cryptocurrency does this ebook present?
Method number 5 capitalizes on the very nature of the crypto market,
Okay.
It's decentralized structure. It's called cryptocurrency arbitrage.
Okay, now arbitrage, that sounds like
It's a fancy word.
What a fancy financial term.
It is. It is.
Break it down for me.
In simple terms, it's exploiting price differences for the same cryptocurrency.
Okay.
But across different exchanges.
Okay.
So you're buying low on one exchange and simultaneously selling high on another.
Oh, gotcha.
Pocketing the difference.
So you're kind of acting as a middleman.
In a way, yeah.
Capitalizing on those small little price gaps.
That's right.
Now that must require some lightning fast reflexes.
It does. Speed and efficiency are crucial.
And a really good internet connection.
And a good internet connection, absolutely.
Right.
Yeah.
So arbitrage is for those who thrive on the thrill of the chase.
It is.
Monitoring the market.
Constantly monitoring.
Constantly monitoring.
Yeah.
All right, 2 more methods to go.
2 more.
On this whirlwind tour of crypto money making.
All right.
What's next on the agenda?
Method number 6 involves building a platform for others to trade, starting a P2P cryptocurrency exchange.
P2P, so that's peer-to-peer.
Peer-to-peer.
Yeah.
Okay, so cutting out
the middleman.
The traditional middleman.
Yeah, the centralized exchange.
Right.
But connecting buyers and sellers directly.
Interesting concept, but what are the challenges involved in building and running a P2P exchange?
Building trust is paramount,
Yeah.
Users need to have confidence that their funds are safe.
Right.
That the transactions are going to be executed fairly.
Mm-hmm.
Security is absolutely crucial.
Yeah.
Any breach of trust can be devastating.
So you have to build a really solid reputation.
You do.
Especially in that decentralized environment.
Especially, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
What else does this ebook highlight?
Okay.
That's essential for success in this space.
Well, one thing that Mirhead emphasizes is that while most P2P exchanges rely on basic fees for revenue, there's a whole world of potential innovation when it comes to monetization.
So they propose things like integrating market-making bots to enhance liquidity, offering data analytics tools to help users make informed decisions, and even providing instant exchange services for a premium.
So it's all about thinking outside the box.
It is.
Finding creative ways to generate revenue.
Absolutely.
It's not just about building a platform. It's about building a sustainable business.
That's right. It's about finding those unique value propositions that differentiate you from the competition.
Yeah.
And attract users to your platform.
Attract users. Absolutely.
Yeah.
All right. We've explored 6 methods.
Yeah.
Each with its own flavor of risk, reward, and required expertise.
That's right.
What's the final frontier in this ebooks journey through crypto money making?
The last method, and perhaps the most accessible,
for
those who aren't looking to build everything from scratch,
yeah,
is starting a white label exchange.
Okay, now white label. Break that down for me.
Okay, think of it as buying a pre-built, ready-to-go exchange platform.
Okay.
And then customizing it with your own branding and features.
All right.
So it was a shortcut to launching your own exchange without the complexity and costs of developing everything from the ground up.
So you're essentially taking a proven framework.
You are.
And putting your own spin on it.
Exactly.
That sounds like a smart way to get into the exchange game.
Especially for those who want to focus on the business side of things.
Right.
Rather than getting bogged down in all the technical intricacies of building an exchange.
Right.
From scratch.
But how much customization is actually possible with this white label solution?
That's where it gets interesting.
Okay.
While you're starting with this pre-built base.
Yeah.
Most white label solutions actually offer
a
surprising degree of flexibility.
All right.
So you can choose which cryptocurrencies to list.
Okay.
You can set your own fee structure. You can even tailor the user interface to match your brand identity.
So you're not sacrificing control or uniqueness?
Not at all.
Just because you're opting for that pre-built platform?
You're not.
Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah.
How do you choose the right white label solution, though?
Well, first and foremost, security.
Okay.
You want to make sure the platform has top-notch security features to protect user funds. Then there's scalability. Can it handle a large volume of transactions and grow as your user base expands?
Yeah.
And, of course, cost is a factor.
Of course.
White label solutions can vary significantly in price.
So it's about finding that sweet spot.
It is.
Between affordability,
functionality,
security, scalability. Sounds like a lot to consider.
It is.
But also like a potentially streamlined path.
Absolutely.
To launching your own crypto exchange.
It is a streamlined path. It's all about weighing the pros and cons. Finding the approach that best aligns with your goals and resources.
Right.
The beauty of this space is there are multiple avenues to explore.
Yeah.
Each offering unique challenges and rewards.
I like that.
Yeah.
It's really interesting. As we've been kind of going through these 7 methods, I'm struck by the variety of opportunities within this crypto space.
It is.
It's not just about trading.
Right.
It's about
building, innovating,
providing services.
Yeah, it really is.
It's almost like a microcosm of, the wider business world.
That's a great observation, I think,
Yeah.
Cryptocurrency isn't just about the technology itself. Yeah. It's about the ecosystem that's emerging around it.
Yeah.
And that ecosystem is attracting a very diverse range of individuals with different skill sets, risk appetites, entrepreneurial visions.
It's fascinating to see how people are finding their niche.
Yeah, absolutely.
Within this evolving landscape.
Yeah, and that's what we're here to do.
Yeah.
Right, to shed some light on these nuances.
Exactly.
And help you navigate this exciting but often complex world.
Speaking of navigating.
Okay.
Let's circle back to day trading, our first method. You mentioned the importance of
data
analysis and technical indicators. Can you give us a glimpse into what those might look like?
Sure.
What are day traders actually looking for?
Okay. Well, one common indicator is moving averages.
Okay.
Traders use those to smooth out price fluctuations and identify trends. For instance, if a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term moving average, that can signal a bullish trend, suggesting the price is likely to go up.
So it's like a visual cue.
It is. It's a visual cue. Then there's indicators like the Relative Strength Index.
Okay.
Or RSI.
Okay.
Which measures the strength of price movements.
Okay.
And can help identify overbought or oversold conditions.
Okay, so overbought or oversold, meaning?
Well, overbought suggests that the price has risen too quickly and might be due for a correction.
Okay.
While oversold suggests the opposite.
Right.
That the price has fallen too much.
Right.
And might be poised for a rebound.
Interesting. So it's about like looking for those signals that suggest a shift in momentum.
It is. It's about trying to find those turning points.
Okay.
Potential turning points in the market.
Now, are there a lot of these different indicators?
Oh, there's dozens of them.
Wow.
Each with its own unique insights.
Okay.
But it's important to remember, no indicator is perfect.
Right.
And they should be used in conjunction with other forms of analysis.
It's about using them to inform your decisions, not dictate them.
That's right.
Speaking of informed decisions, let's shift gears over to the buy and hold strategy.
Okay.
We talked about evaluating a cryptocurrency's fundamentals. Yeah. But where does one begin that research?
A great starting point is the project's white paper.
Okay.
It's essentially a document that outlines the project's goals, the technology, the team, the roadmap. It's like a blueprint for the cryptocurrency.
So it's like reading the prospectus.
It is.
Before investing in a company.
Exactly. So look for a clear and well-articulated vision, a strong team with relevant experience, a realistic plan for development.
All right. So beyond the white paper.
Okay.
What else?
Explore the project's website. Read articles and reviews.
Okay.
And really dive into online forums and communities.
Now, why are those important?
Because they can give you really valuable insights into the sentiment surrounding a project.
Interesting.
Are people excited about it?
Right.
Are the developers actively engaged?
Yeah.
Is there a sense of community and shared purpose?
So it's not just about the tech itself.
It's not just about the tech.
It's about the human element,
Absolutely.
The community that's driving it forward.
Exactly. A strong and engaged community can be a powerful indicator of a project's long-term potential.
Okay, so we've touched on like the research aspect of buy and hold, but what about the hold part?
Right.
How does someone manage their investments over the long term?
Yeah.
Is it truly a hands-off approach?
Not entirely.
Okay.
While you're not actively trading, it's essential to stay informed about the project's progress.
Okay.
Any major updates, developments, and of course, the overall market conditions.
So you have to kind of stay engaged.
You do.
Even if you're not constantly buying and selling.
It's like tending to a garden.
Okay.
You plant the seeds.
Right.
But you still have to water them.
Right.
Weed the garden.
Yeah.
Make sure they're getting enough sunlight.
That's a great analogy.
It is.
So you're nurturing your investments.
You are.
Not just letting them sit there.
That's right.
Okay.
And just like a garden, your crypto portfolio needs to be tended to over time.
Right.
Adjusting your holdings as needed to align with your goals and the evolving market landscape.
The evolving market. All right. Yeah. Let's move on from trading and holding to a more specialized role.
Okay.
The escrow agent we talked about, the importance of trust.
Trust and integrity?
And integrity.
Yeah.
What practical steps can someone take to establish that credibility in the crypto world?
Well, building a reputation takes time.
Right.
And consistent effort.
Yeah.
One important step is to be transparent about your fees and your processes.
All right.
So clearly outline your role in the transaction.
Yeah.
The steps you take to protect both parties.
So transparency is key.
Transparency is key. Absolutely.
Yeah. Right.
No hidden fees, no shady practices.
Gotcha.
And you might also consider getting verified on reputable platforms.
Okay.
Or directories that specialize in escrow services. This can really add a layer of legitimacy.
Right.
It shows potential clients that you've been vetted.
So it's like a seal of approval.
It is. It's a badge of trustworthiness.
Right.
And don't underestimate the power of testimonials and referrals.
Word of mouth.
Word of mouth, positive feedback from satisfied clients.
Right.
Can go a long way.
Social proof.
Social proof.
Yeah.
Knowing you've successfully facilitated transactions.
Right.
Earn the trust of others.
All right. Let's shift gears again.
Okay.
To the more tech-heavy world of algorithmic trading. Yeah. We talked about building a platform and offering this service to others, but what are the key considerations for someone looking to create such a platform?
All right. The first step is to identify your target audience. Yeah. Who are you aiming for?
Right.
Are you going for experienced traders who understand the
ins and outs
of algorithmic strategies?
Yeah.
Or are you targeting more casual investors who are looking for a simplified approach?
And that would kind of dictate the complexity of your algorithm.
It dictates the complexity, yeah. If you're catering to experienced traders,
Yeah.
you need to offer a wide range of customizable parameters,
Okay.
access to advanced indicators, and the ability to backtest strategies.
Okay. Now, what is backtesting?
Backtesting is essentially simulating your trading strategy against past market data to see how it would perform.
Yeah.
It's a way to test and refine your algorithms.
So it's like a dress rehearsal.
It is a dress rehearsal before deploying them in the real market.
Okay. And if you're targeting more of a casual audience.
Right. Then you might focus on ease of use, offering pre-built strategies, a more intuitive interface.
So it's all about...
It's about understanding the needs, the expectations of your target market.
And tailoring your platform to them.
Exactly.
But beyond the technical aspects, what about the business side?
All right. Well, marketing is crucial.
Okay.
You need to get the word out.
Right.
About your platform.
Yeah.
Highlight its unique features and benefits.
So you have to position yourself as like a thought leader.
A thought leader? Content marketing can be very effective.
Yeah.
Creating educational resources, blog posts, webinars
right.
that showcase your expertise.
You're educating potential users.
Building trust.
Right.
And then, of course, you have your monetization model.
Right.
This ebook mentions a subscription model as a possibility.
Okay.
Offering different tiers of access.
Right.
Based on the features and the complexity of the algorithms provided.
So tiered pricing.
Tiered pricing allows you to cater to a wider audience, from casual investors to serious traders, each paying for the level of service that meets their needs.
Okay, so we covered algorithmic trading.
We have.
Let's move on to the world of cryptocurrency arbitrage.
Right.
We talked about speed and efficiency being crucial.
Crucial, yeah.
But what about the technical setup?
Okay.
What kind of tools and resources does someone need?
Okay, well, you're absolutely right.
Yeah.
Speed is key in arbitrage.
Yeah.
That means having a trading platform that's optimized for lightning fast execution.
Okay.
You need a platform that offers real-time market data, advanced charting tools, and the ability to place orders quickly and efficiently across multiple exchanges.
So we're talking like a
professional grade trading platform.
Yeah, not your average.
Not your average app.
Right.
And then there's the internet connection.
Oh, right.
Any lag or interruption can cost you precious seconds.
Right.
Potentially wiping out your profit margin.
Yeah.
So a dedicated high-speed connection is absolutely essential.
So it's about minimizing any potential delays.
It is, yeah.
Right.
In terms of your software and your connection.
Yeah, but what about the mental game?
Right.
What kind of mindset does someone need to have?
Well, it's a fast-paced, demanding environment.
Right.
Requires quick thinking, decisiveness, a high tolerance for risk.
High tolerance.
You need to be comfortable making split-second decisions, acting on those decisions without hesitation.
So it's not for the faint of heart.
It's not for the faint of heart, no.
Yeah, it takes a certain level of confidence.
Confidence and a willingness to embrace the volatility of the crypto market.
Volatility, yeah.
And it's also important to have a clear strategy and risk management plan in place.
So don't just chase.
Don't chase every price difference.
Right.
Know your entry and exit points.
Okay.
Set stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses.
Limit the losses, yeah.
Have a risk more than you can afford to lose.
So it's being calculated.
It is.
Disciplined. Not just, reckless and impulsive.
Exactly. Success in arbitrage.
Yeah.
Like in any form of trading.
Right.
Requires a balance of skill, knowledge, and emotional control.
Okay. 2 more methods to go.
2 more.
Let's explore the world of P2P cryptocurrency exchanges. We talked about trust and security.
Trust and security.
Being paramount.
Paramount, absolutely.
But how do you actually go about building that trust when there's no central authority?
Right. Well, building trust in a decentralized environment is all about transparency and accountability.
Okay.
One crucial step is to make your platform's code open source.
Okay.
This allows anyone to inspect the code, verify that it's secure, free of vulnerabilities.
So you're inviting the community?
You're inviting the community to audit your platform.
To audit it, showing that you have nothing to hide.
Showing you have nothing to hide.
Right.
And consider implementing a dispute resolution system.
Okay.
Disagreements happen in any marketplace.
Right.
Having a clear process for resolving those disputes.
Fairly and efficiently.
It builds trust.
It shows that you're committed to fairness.
It does.
Right.
And it shows there's a safety net.
Safety net.
If something goes wrong.
And beyond the technical aspects.
Okay.
What else?
Communication is key.
Communication. Okay.
Yeah. Be open and responsive to user feedback.
Right.
Address concerns promptly.
Okay.
Provide clear and consistent updates about the platform's development.
So you're being proactive.
Proactive and engaging with your community.
You're
listening.
And you care about their experience.
Yeah. Building a successful P2P exchange is as much about community building as it is about technology.
Okay. So we've covered P2P exchanges.
We have.
Leaving us with our final method.
All right.
Starting a white label exchange.
Okay.
We talked about the advantages of this approach, but what are some of the potential downsides or challenges that someone might encounter?
That's a great question.
Yeah.
While white label solutions offer a streamlined path to launching an exchange, they aren't without their challenges.
Okay.
One potential downside is the reliance on a third-party provider. You're essentially trusting them with the technical foundation
of your business.
So
due diligence is crucial.
Right. You need to thoroughly vet the provider. Look at their track record, their security measures, their ability to support your platform as it grows.
Okay. And another consideration.
Is the level of customization.
Right.
While most white label solutions offer some flexibility, you might encounter limitations in terms of adding unique features or fully tailoring the platform to your vision.
So it's a trade-off.
Between
speed and control.
Exactly.
You're getting to market faster. Yeah. But you might
sacrifice some creative freedom.
Sacrifice a little creative freedom along the way.
And then, of course, there's the competitive landscape.
Right.
The barrier to entry for launching an exchange has been lowered significantly with white label solutions. So you're going to face stiffer competition.
So differentiation becomes even more important.
Differentiation is key.
Right.
You need to find those unique selling points.
The unique selling points are
that set you apart.
Set you apart from the crowd. Okay.
Whether it's a niche selection of cryptocurrencies or a focus on a specific geographic region, exceptional customer support.
Gotcha.
You need to carve out your space. In the market.
Okay, so we've now explored all 7 methods for making money with cryptocurrency, as outlined in this fascinating ebook by Muirhead, from the high-speed world of day trading to the more entrepreneurial ventures of building platforms and providing these specialized services.
Absolutely.
We've covered a lot of ground.
It's been quite a journey, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
Through the diverse landscape.
Of
crypto money making. And what stands out to me is that there's truly an opportunity for everyone.
There is.
In this space, regardless of, their skills, risk tolerance, financial resources.
Yeah, absolutely. I completely agree. Whether you're a tech-savvy trader, a patient investor, a community builder, business-minded innovator.
There's a path for you.
There's a path,
to explore in this exciting and evolving world.
And that's what makes it so compelling.
Absolutely.
Right?
It's dynamic.
Yeah.
It's constantly evolving.
With
endless possibilities for those who are willing to learn, adapt, and embrace the challenges and rewards that come with it.
As we've been going through all this, it's really sparked a bigger question for me.
Right.
Beyond the individual strategies, what's like the overall trajectory of cryptocurrency?
Yeah.
Like, where is this all heading?
That's the question, isn't it?
Yeah.
That everybody wants to know.
Yeah.
It's almost like, trying to predict the weather.
Right.
A year from now.
You
can see some patterns, but there's always surprises.
Right. But you must have some thoughts
of course,
on where this is all going.
I do. I think it's safe to say that cryptocurrency is not just a passing fad.
Right.
It's a fundamental shift in how we think about money and value and the very nature of transactions.
So it's more than just a tech innovation.
It's more than just a tech innovation.
it's potentially like
It could revolutionize the financial system.
a revolution.
Yeah, it challenges the traditional power structures
Right.
of finance,
Right.
offering the potential for a more decentralized,
Right.
democratized system.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a powerful concept.
It is.
But sometimes it's hard to reconcile that with the volatility we see.
Yeah, the uncertainty.
And the uncertainty.
In the market.
You know, I think it's important to remember that cryptocurrency is still relatively young technology.
Okay.
It's going through this period of rapid innovation and adoption. And with that comes volatility.
So it's like any emerging market.
It is.
There's going to be bumps along the way.
There will be bumps, but those bumps don't negate
Yeah.
the long-term potential.
So we got to look beyond.
We got to look beyond those short-term swings.
The short term.
But based on the broader trends.
Right. What are some of the signs that point towards a future where crypto plays a bigger role?
Well, one clear trend is the growing acceptance of cryptocurrency by merchants and businesses.
Right.
We're seeing major companies, even some traditional financial institutions, starting to accept, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as payment.
So that mainstream adoption.
Mainstream adoption is crucial.
Seems crucial, yeah.
It is. What other?
When you can use cryptocurrency seamlessly to buy everyday goods and services, it becomes less of a speculative asset and more of a practical tool.
A practical tool.
Yeah.
What other developments are you kind of watching that support this vision?
Another exciting area is the growth of decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi. That's where things get really interesting.
That's another one of those buzzwords you hear a lot.
It is a buzzword.
Can you unpack that for us?
Yeah, imagine a financial system built on blockchain technology where you can borrow, lend, trade, earn interest without needing a traditional bank or intermediary.
So you're taking the core functions of finance, rebuilding them on a decentralized,
transparent, and accessible platform.
And it's powered by cryptocurrencies and smart contracts.
So it's like a complete...
It's a paradigm shift.
Paradigm shift, yeah. It really is. Almost like a parallel financial universe is emerging.
Parallel universe? That's wild.
It is. It's a radical departure from the way we've always done things.
Right.
And it's still early days.
Yeah.
But the potential...
The potential is huge.
To transform the financial landscape is undeniable.
Okay, so we've explored 7 specific methods for making money.
7 methods.
You've delved into the larger trends.
The larger trends.
We've even glimpsed into this potential future.
The future of decentralized finance.
Yes, decentralized finance.
Yeah.
Before we wrap up, any final words of wisdom?
I think the most important thing is to approach this space with a curious and open mind.
Open mind.
Don't be afraid to learn.
Yeah.
Experiment, challenge your assumptions about what money and finance can be.
And always remember, as with any investment, do your research.
Do your research.
Assess your risk tolerance.
Absolutely.
Invest responsibly.
Invest responsibly, yeah.
Well, on that note, I think we should bring this deep dive to a close.
Yeah, I think so too.
Thanks for joining us.
It's been great.
On this exploration
Absolutely.
Of the world of cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
And who knows, maybe someday we'll be deep diving into...
I'd love that.
Your own crypto success story.
Absolutely. Until then.
Happy
exploring. And may your crypto journey be filled with knowledge. And hopefully some profit along the way.
I like that. That's a good way to end it.
All right.
Thanks for joining us, everybody. We'll see you next time.
See you later.